Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can add your email signature to Thunderbird. In order to do so, here we are in the Thunderbird app, which we have installed for desktop. And what you're looking for is on the left-hand side, you're going to see this icon here that looks like a gear. And if you click on that, then that's going to bring you to our setting page here. And then from there, what we're looking for is account settings here on the left-hand side. You want to go ahead and click on that. And when you do, that should bring you to this page here. And you're going to want to make sure that you are logged in with your email. Otherwise, you're not going to see this screen. Once you are, then you're going to see here the option to add your signature text. All you have to do is just enter in whatever it is that you wish, and that's pretty much all there is to it. You don't even need to hit save or anything like that. You could just put that there and then close out, and that will have successfully added your signature. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.